My name is Kyle House and I work for Willamette University as their audio-video specialist. Today we're at Willamette University at our College of Law. Willamette is comprised of an undergraduate school, College of Law, and a business program. So we're inside our Paulus Lecture Hall at our College of Law. This is our largest lecture hall on campus and it seats, I think, about 120 people. Before we implemented the new Renkus-Heinz system, we were using a pretty rudimentary couple of standard trapezoid box speakers put into an alcove above the screen. So it was really kind of primitive and ineffective and caused a lot of issues with reflections and feedback and very low intelligibility for the system. After COVID hit, we really moved, obviously like everyone else, a lot of our classes remote, so we needed a way to integrate the students in person with those who are attending over Zoom. We really kind of needed a high quality, highly controlled audio solution so that way our microphone arrays can work properly in the space so everyone can be heard. We ended up going with the Renkus-Heinz Iconyx Compact 12.3 arrays for this installation. It was chosen by our contractor that we used, Cascade Sound in Salem, Oregon. We chose these speakers because we really needed a solution that gave us extreme control over where the sound was placed in the room. This is an extremely challenging room with a fan-shaped orientation as well as, stadium-style seating. We have a lot of elevation change, but we also have a lot of highly reflective surfaces and even kind of parabolic-like soffits that were reflecting sound right back to the front of the room, so lapel mics weren't even able to be used in the space. Once we had the Iconyx arrays mounted and set up for tuning, our AV contractor did a great job working with us, and really the process was really quick. We used the RHAON software to configure the different steering lobes into the space, and it happened extremely quick. We had high intelligibility, great coverage really quickly. So it was a pretty impressive time frame to get everything kind of up and running in a real workable fashion. Having the ability to integrate the speakers and our microphones over Dante has been a huge benefit. We've got a lot of configurability. It's very easy to set up. We were able to integrate the Audinate devices to send audio around the room to different locations. It's been extremely beneficial and helpful to kind of make this whole system work seamlessly. The Renkus-Heinz fit in with the aesthetics of the room excellent. I mean, they're just a beautiful column that can fit almost anywhere, so it was really no issue to integrate them right onto even a nice wood wall surface that we have. Overall, the experience for not only the professors, the remote students, the in-person students have all benefited from the new Renkus-Heinz arrays that we have. The professors now can use lapel mics without any concern of feedback in the room itself. The remote students can hear clearly because the audio that's being put into the space is being properly controlled. I would recommend Renkus-Heinz to anyone who's got a really challenging environment or really wants the aesthetics that the Renkus-Heinz speakers offer. They are an absolute necessity when you have a space that is just acoustically challenging, and it's extremely critical to put sound only where you need it and not on reflective surfaces. It's also an excellent solution when anytime that high intelligibility is really important.